Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of coconut oil. Can this tropical treasure really transform your hair into a luscious mane? Why coconut oil for hair? First things first, what makes coconut oil so special for hair? Well, it's packed with fatty acids like lauric acid that deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing nourishment and moisture. Additionally, it has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can keep your scalp healthy. Benefits of coconut oil for hair. Let's dive into the fantastic benefits of coconut oil for your hair. 1. Deep conditioning. Coconut oil is a superb natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft and manageable. 2. Prevents protein loss. It can reduce protein loss in both undamaged and damaged hair, preventing breakage. 3. Scalp health. The antifungal properties may help combat dandruff and other scalp issues. 4. Hair growth. Some believe that it can stimulate hair growth by promoting a healthy scalp. How to use coconut oil for hair. Now that we know the perks, let's talk about how to use coconut oil for maximum hair benefits. You can apply it as a pre-shampoo treatment, a leave-in conditioner, or even mix it into DIY hair masks. Be sure to choose virgin or cold-pressed coconut oil for the best results. Tips for effective application. To make the most of coconut oil, consider these tips. 1. Amount matters. A little goes a long way. Don't overdo it to avoid greasy hair. 2. Warm it up. Heat the oil slightly for better penetration and distribution. 3. Leave it in. Leaving it on overnight or for a few hours can yield great results. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Ensure you wash it out thoroughly to prevent buildup. In conclusion, coconut oil is a versatile, natural remedy that can work wonders for your hair. However, individual results may vary, so it's essential to find what works best for you and your hair type. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of coconut oil for hair. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more beauty and wellness tips. Remember, taking care of your hair is an ongoing journey, so stay consistent and patient. We'll see you in the next video.